Hello everyone, this is Anthony, this is Andrew from All Clear Auto Detailing. We are going to show you the proper way to install a ceramic coating on a vehicle. Let's take a look in.
And it's free. So why didn't I get off the naughty list? Turns out Santa's a stickler for naughty work. Capital One Shopping. Got genius. What's in your mind?
So as you can see, it's applied section at a time, one panel at a time, with crossover. So we'll go left, right, then up, down to make sure we have even distribution of the coating. And this is the way it's done on every single vehicle, of course, after the vehicle has been prepped correctly. So that's what you get when you get it to here. Get it to All Clear Auto Detailing. Let's take a look at your vehicle. Let's get it installed correctly. Give us a call, 561-255-9785. And remember to hit the subscribe button at the bottom of the video.